hell are you doing back here? The pianos are for paying customers only. Hey!
I am not going to buy you a piano. You've never even had lessons.
I don't need lessons. I already know how to play.
Dewey, but we can't afford a piano. I can't understand this. All week stuff has been disappearing right from under my nose. Well, it's like I put something down and then it's just gone. What the... Hey, have you seen my hairdryer? I swear it's like stuff is just getting up and walking off.
Dad, I think I figured out what's going on. Somebody's sneaking into the house and stealing stuff.
Either way, they're going down. My stuff!